Now, if there's anything students or geometry students love more than word problems, it is proofs. So here we're going to be looking to prove a triangle relationship using the Hinge theorem. Okay, so I got a couple of triangles here. I got triangle. How do I want to label this? Well, I got one triangle here, QST. Okay. And then I've got another triangle, let's say triangle RQS. All right, well, let's just kind of proceed here and see what we got. All right, so we're going to be writing a two-column proof. So we're given that RS, segment RS, is congruent with ST, and we can see that with these congruency marks, right? And let's see, we're going to be asked to prove that segment RS is greater than TQ. So we want to prove that this segment is greater than that segment. All right, so we're given that RS, and we've got an angle 1 and 2 here, but we don't have any kind of measurement. It's just a label. It doesn't tell us anything about it other than that's angle 1 and that's angle 2. But if I look at that, angle 1 is opposite RS, and angle 2 is opposite TQ. And so I think I'm headed down this path using the Hinge theorem, or side angle side, to prove this. Now, what about these two triangles have a common side, which is QS? Well, maybe I should make that QS. I'll erase my other things. Okay. Well, makes sense that QS equals QS. And that's true because of the reflexive property. So I've got side and included angle. Here's me an included angle. And here's me an included angle. But I don't know much about that. Now let's think about this angle 1. Well, it lies on a line, and it is an exterior angle to triangle QST. Okay, so angle 1 is an exterior angle of triangle QST by the definition of exterior angles. And if it is an exterior angle, then it is greater than both angle 2 and angle T, because it's going to be greater than the two remote interior angles. Or another way I could say this is, that means that angle 1 must be greater than angle 2, because if angle 1 is greater than angle 2 and angle T added together, the sum of those, then obviously it's got to be greater than angle 2, because if an angle is an exterior angle of a triangle, then its measure is greater than the measure of either one of the corresponding remote triangles. That would be true because the two of them added together is going to be less than the exterior angle. All right. Well, I think we're about ready to prove this thing. Because based upon the Hinge theorem, if angle 1 is going to be greater than angle 2, then segment RS has got to be greater than segment TQ, and true. Hinge theorem or side angle side inequality. Isn't that exciting?